Welcome to today's session on how to unlock that unshakable confidence. Now, before we begin, I want you to know something very important. By the end of this session, you won't just feel more confident, you'll know how to access it anytime. And there's one simple moment near the end that most people say changes everything. So just allow yourself to listen and let the process happen. Take a slow breath in and exhale gently. Let's take another slow breath in and let it out. You're doing great. Now listen carefully. As the sound gently moves from one side to the other, your mind begins to follow. And when the mind follows that rhythm, it relaxes naturally. You don't have to try, just listen. You're breathing in calm, and you want to breathe out the tension. With every shift in the sound, your body softens. Shoulders are releasing, jaw unclenching. Your forehead is smoothing, and you may have already noticed a subtle shift happening. That's a good thing. Now imagine standing at the top of a staircase. There are 10 steps. With each step down, you move deeper into calm confidence. Approach that first step, and as I count, you are going down the staircase. 10. You're stepping down. 9. You're drifting. 8. You're more relaxed. 7. You're letting go now. 6. Your body is getting heavier. 5. You're halfway down now. And here's where something very interesting begins. 4. 3. 2. You're almost there now. 1. You are deeply relaxed. Now, in front of you is now a version of yourself. It's not a future fantasy. It's not someone different. It's just you. But without any hesitation. Notice now how they stand. Spine is aligned. Breathing is steady. And their eyes are focused. This version of you doesn't rush, doesn't overthink, doesn't shrink. And here's the key. They're not confident because everything is perfect. They're confident because they trust themselves. Let that sink in. Imagine now stepping into that version of you, as if putting on a perfectly tailored jacket. Feel your posture adjust automatically. Your breathing deepens naturally. Your nervous system is recalibrating. Your confidence is not loud. it's regulated. And your body is learning that now. From this moment forward, your brain begins scanning for evidence of capability instead of evidence of fear. When you walk into a room, you look for opportunity. When you speak, you expect to be heard. When challenges appear, your first instinct becomes curiosity, not doubt. And here's something powerful. Your subconscious mind loves efficiency. Once it learns a better pattern, it keeps it. And it's learning so fast. In a moment, you're going to install something simple that you can use anytime. Before a meeting, before a conversation, before an important decision. This is the part people replay. So pay attention. Press your thumb and your forefinger together now. As you do, feel a steady warmth in your chest. Not excitement, not hype, but stability, certainty, and self-trust. Your nervous system memorizes this pairing. Finger pressure equals calm confidence. And each time you use it, it strengthens. Now release your fingers. You're doing great. Now, imagine yourself tomorrow. Walking differently. Speaking slightly slower. You're making eye contact just a little bit longer. That small shift changes how others respond. And their response reinforces you. A positive loop already forming. Confidence isn't something you chase. It's something you practice. And now, your mind knows how to do that. In a moment, I'm going to count to 5. At 5, you'll open your eyes, feeling grounded, clear, and naturally more self-assured. 1. Your awareness is returning. 2. Energy is rising. 3. Take a big, deep breath. 4. Slightly start movement in those fingers and toes. 5. Your eyes are open now. You are calm, certain, and in control. And if you noticed even the smallest of shifts, that means it worked. Thank you for sharing this time with me. If this has helped you, please consider liking and subscribing, and don't forget to practice daily. Be kind to yourselves. You deserve this relief, and you are worth it.